Welcome to Get Glimpse channel. Today, I'm going to guide you through how to open and set up GitHub Copilot in Visual Studio Code. Perfect for quickly getting started with AI-assisted coding and boosting your productivity. So, what exactly is GitHub Copilot? At its core, it's an AI-powered coding assistant built to help you write code faster and smarter. It integrates directly inside Visual Studio Code, giving you real-time suggestions and autocomplete as you type. Whether you are writing Python, JavaScript, TypeScript, Go, or any of the many supported languages, Copilot can help you generate functions, write boilerplate code, and even suggest the entire classes. It's like having a coding partner sitting right next to you, available 24/7. Now, let's talk subscriptions. To use Copilot, you'll need a GitHub Copilot plan. There is a free plan which gives you a limited number of suggestions each month, perfect for testing the waters. If you want unlimited suggestions, there's a monthly subscription that's fairly affordable. Students and open source maintainers may even qualify for free access, which is a huge bonus if you are just starting out. Here's how to set it up. Open Visual Studio Code on your computer and head over to the extensions marketplace. You can get there by clicking the square icon on the left sidebar or by pressing Ctrl plus Shift plus X on Windows or Command plus Shift plus X on Mac. In the search bar, type GitHub Copilot, then click Install. Once installed, you'll need to connect your GitHub account. Open the command palette using Ctrl plus Shift plus P or Command plus Shift plus P. Type GitHub Copilot, sign in, and press Enter. A browser window will open. Authorize GitHub Copilot, then return to VS Code. If everything went smoothly, you should now see the status bar at the bottom say Copilot connected, like that. If it's active, you'll also notice a small Copilot icon in the status bar. Hover over it to check your settings or complete setup if needed. Now, the fun part. Start typing in a supported file like .js, .py, or .ts file. Copilot suggestions appear as ghost text right inside your editor. To accept, simply press Tab or Enter. For example, if you start typing def calculate underscore Fibonacci, Copilot might automatically suggest the entire function for you. But what if Copilot doesn't show up? Don't panic. First, make sure you are signed into a GitHub account that has Copilot access. Then, update Visual Studio Code. Newer builds have better integration. Also, double check the status icon. If it says inactive, try signing out and back in. In some cases, even restarting VS Code or reinstalling the extension can fix stubborn issues. Here's a quick productivity pro tip. Don't just rely on autocomplete. GitHub Copilot also comes with Copilot Chat. This lets you ask questions in natural language like explain this code block or write a function to sort an array by date. It's incredibly useful when learning a new framework or working with unfair code bases. With GitHub Copilot up and running, coding becomes faster, smarter, and far more intuitive. You'll spend less time writing repetitive boilerplate code and more time solving real problems. Think of it as a tool that speeds up your workflow while still letting you stay in full control. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.